everyone. See, in today's lecture, we will see Cannizzaro reaction. In today's lecture, we will see Cannizzaro reaction. See, what is meant by Cannizzaro reaction? See, Cannizzaro reaction is a reaction of aldehydes. Cannizzaro reaction is a reaction of aldehydes which are not having alpha hydrogen atom. When such aldehydes are heated, at high temperature in presence of strong base like sodium hydroxide, to form alcohol and sodium salt of or potassium salt of acid. Okay, that means we can say when aldehydes which are not having alpha hydrogen atom, when they are heated in presence of strong base like sodium hydroxide, then that aldehyde can undergo oxidation and reduction reaction. To form a alcohol and acid as a product, to form a mixture of alcohol and acid are products. Okay, so for example, here we have taken formaldehyde is reacted with what? Sodium hydroxide. So formaldehyde, when we will react with sodium hydroxide, there is formation of methanol and sodium salt of formic acid as a product. Similarly, when we will react benzaldehyde with sodium hydroxide, then there is formation of benzyl alcohol and sodium salt of benzoic acid as a product. Okay, now let us see mechanism of this reaction, mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. Let us see. See, first step, formation of oxyanion. So when we will react a benzaldehyde with hydroxide ion, that is sodium hydroxide, then this hydroxide ion will attack on carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde, and then there will be a formation of oxyanion of formaldehyde. Then there is formation of oxyanion of formaldehyde. Now see, in next step, step number 2, attack of oxyanion, or we can say hydride shift. From oxyanion to carbonyl carbon of second aldehyde molecule, Okay, now what will happen in second step? There will be a hydride shift, isn't it? Let us see. See, I will write this hydride in this way. oxyanion I am writing in this way. See, carbon in oxyanion, carbon is having two hydrogen, one oxy group and hydroxide ion. Same what I have written here, but in different fashion. Okay, so what will happen? See, there will be a shifting of this hydride. Hydride means what? Hydrogen with bonding pair of electron. Hydrogen with what? Bonding pair of electron. So this hydride will get shifted over carbonyl carbon of second molecule of formaldehyde. So see, this oxyanion will shift this hydride, that is hydrogen with bonding pair of electron, to the carbonyl carbon of second molecule of aldehyde. So what will happen? There will be a formation of carbonyl group back in first molecule of aldehyde, isn't it? This first molecule of aldehyde will form carbonyl group back, and in second case there will be a formation of CH3O minus, isn't it? CH3O minus. Already this carbon is having two hydrogens, so one hydrogen along with bonding pair we have shifted to this carbon, so there will be a formation of CH3O minus. So now in third step there will be a proton transfer. In third step there will be a proton transfer. So how this proton transfer will take place? Let us see. This is what? A formic acid, isn't it? What is this? Formic acid. So this is a CH3O minus Na plus, as we are using what? Sodium hydroxide. What we are using? Sodium hydroxide. So I can write here sodium salt, isn't it? This is also a sodium salt. So O minus CH3. So this alkoxide ion will abstract sodium alkoxide. What is this here? Sodium methoxide. So this alkoxide ion will abstract this proton of carboxylic acid, as it is more acidic and this is more basic. So here there is a what? Acid base reaction. So there is formation of O minus Na plus, sodium salt of formic acid and methyl alcohol. So this is a Cannizzaro reaction between what? Formaldehyde molecule. Okay, so let us see mechanism of this Cannizzaro reaction once again. See, in mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction, we have to react aldehyde, any aldehyde which is not having alpha hydrogen atom, with what? Strong base like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, etc. So this formaldehyde molecule is reacted with sodium hydroxide molecule. So in first step there will be a attack of hydroxide ion on carbonyl carbon of formaldehyde molecule. So what will happen? There will be a formation of oxyanion, sodium oxyanion of formaldehyde. Now in second step there will be a hydride shift. There will be a what? Hydride shift from this oxyanion to carbonyl carbon of second aldehyde molecule. Okay, now see, this carbonyl carbon is what? Electron deficient. This is what? Electron deficient carbonyl carbon. So it will undergo a nucleophilic addition of this hydride towards that carbonyl carbon. So this oxyanion will shift this hydride that is hydrogen with bonding pair of electron to the carbonyl carbon of second molecule of aldehyde. So thus there is formation of formic acid and sodium salt of methyl alcohol. Thus there is formation of what? Formic acid and sodium salt of methyl alcohol. Now in third step there is what? Proton transfer. So this is what? A very basic. Sodium alkoxide is what? Basic, and this acid, carboxylic acid, is what? Acidic. So there will be a what? Acid base reaction. So this base will abstract proton from acid. So there will be a formation of sodium salt of carboxylic acid and methyl alcohol or alcohol molecule. So this is what? Cannizzaro reaction. So Cannizzaro reaction is nothing but a what? Disproportionation reaction of aldehyde molecule which are not having alpha hydrogen atom. Cannizzaro reaction is nothing but what? Disproportionation reaction of aldehyde molecule which are not having alpha hydrogen atom. So this is what? Cannizzaro reaction. Now let us see application of Cannizzaro reaction and cross Cannizzaro reaction. See, through Cannizzaro reaction we can prepare a number of aromatic aldehyde and aromatic alcohol, isn't it? We can prepare a number of aromatic aldehyde and a number of aromatic alcohols. That is aromatic alcohol means what? Benzyl alcohol, like that, having aromatic ring, we can say. See, for example, one of the application of Cannizzaro reaction, here we are looking application. OMeCHO. So when we will react two molecules of orthomethoxybenzaldehyde, so what will happen? In presence of sodium hydroxide, see, there will be a formation of such type of compound. There will be a formation of such type of product, I can say. Sodium salt of orthomethoxybenzaldehyde, the sodium salt of orthomethoxybenzoic acid, and here there is formation of what? Orthomethoxybenzyl alcohol. So this is what? A application of Cannizzaro reaction. We can prepare a number of substituted carboxylic acid, substituted aromatic carboxylic acid and substituted benzyl alcohol through what? Cannizzaro reaction, isn't it? So this is what? A application of Cannizzaro reaction. Now we will see cross Cannizzaro reaction. Cross Cannizzaro reaction. Crossed Cannizzaro reaction. See, what will be a cross Cannizzaro reaction? Cross Cannizzaro reaction will nothing but a what? A reaction between two different aldehydes molecule. It is a what? Reaction between what? Two different types of aldehyde molecules. See, for example, suppose if we react benzaldehyde and para-nitrobenzaldehyde with sodium hydroxide. With what? Sodium hydroxide. So what will form? There will be a formation of what? Two types of products. See, in one case, that means here there will be a formation of total 4 products. See, in one case there will be a formation of, this will undergo reduction, this will undergo oxidation, this will undergo oxidation. So what we can write? Nitro C double bond O Na. So now in second time this will undergo reduction and this will undergo oxidation. Isn't it? In this way, or in another fashion, sorry, another aldehyde, it will undergo now reduction. Okay, so this is what in cross Cannizzaro reaction we will get 4 different products. That means one aldehyde will undergo reduction, other will undergo oxidation, vice versa. In another round this will undergo oxidation and this will undergo what? Reduction. So what we will get? Totally 4 different products in cross Cannizzaro reaction, isn't it? So suppose if we react 2 different aldehydes like benzaldehyde and formaldehyde, in presence of sodium hydroxide, in presence of what? Sodium hydroxide. So what you will get? You will get only 2 products here. You will not get 4 products, but you will get what? 2 products. So which are these 2 products? Here aromatic aldehyde will always undergo what? Reduction. Okay, that means from aromatic aldehyde we will always get a reduced product, and from aliphatic aldehyde we will always get a oxidized product. So here we will get benzyl alcohol and sodium formate, isn't it? So we will get a mixture of benzyl alcohol and sodium formate from a reaction of benzaldehyde and formaldehyde in presence of strong base like sodium hydroxide and heating condition. Okay, so this is what a cross Cannizzaro reaction. So in this lecture we have seen Cannizzaro reaction. So Cannizzaro reaction is a reaction between what? A aliphatic aldehyde or a aromatic aldehyde which are not having alpha hydrogen atom in presence of base. Okay, when we will react, when we will heat these aliphatic aldehyde or a aromatic aldehyde, okay, which are not having alpha hydrogen atom in presence of base, then there will be a what? Disproportionation reaction between aldehyde molecule. Okay, so there is formation of oxidized and reduced product, isn't it? So that will be a what? A carboxylic acid and alcohol. That is what? Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so we have seen Cannizzaro reaction, we have seen its example, we have seen its mechanism, then we have seen application of Cannizzaro reaction, and then later we have seen cross Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, so we will stop here. Wish you happy learning. Thank you very much.